Alright, hey guys, welcome to Chase to Health. I got a new fruit to try that I've never tried before. It's from Miami Fruit Company here, and it's the Noni fruit. Okay, it smells really crazy, almost like some sort of like cheese or something. Alright, here we go. Okay. Whoa. So I think most people don't eat the seeds. Wow, it's like spicy. Wow. I mean, if you found this though, it's definitely like, you'd be excited about it. It does kind of make your tongue numb. So it's like an analgesic. Analgesic, is that? I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. It must have like an alkaloid in it, like similar to cocaine or like Novocaine or whatever, those alkaloids. Probably meant to keep insects from eating it. It'd be interesting to see if bugs eat these less. I feel like this would be fun to make in like some kind of recipe. But yeah, there's lots of seeds. You can see. I wonder if you can eat the seeds. Maybe I should try it. Whoa. I don't want to. So I think what I'm gonna try is apparently I saw Chris Kendall on the Raw Advantage channel, his channel, he's like saying David Wolf likes to get high by blending these up with coconuts, so I think I'm gonna try that. I mean, it's good. It's weird that it's spicy and it numbs your mouth though. And it's not like super sweet. I've heard people say it's like after you just threw up, that's the aftertaste. But I don't taste that. It tastes like it's almost like a blue cheese jalapeno thing or something, which is weird because it's fruit. As far as just like eating it like this, I don't know if I'd want to do that. Wow, my lips are really burning. It's really spicy. Like, does it have capsaicin in it? I don't know. That would be a good thing to find out. Like, what is causing that and what compound in here is causing that. Like, that's the thing with soursop, it was so good, but eating things with seeds is kind of a pain. Like, if you could make a noni that didn't have seeds. I actually really like the spiciness. Wow. I love jalapenos though. So I like that. I don't know. Like I can't, like sometimes I gotta like tell myself I gotta stop having jalapenos. Cause like I'll find myself, I'll have like 2 jalapenos and then like the next night I'm like, I'm gonna put 3 jalapenos in my salad. And then I'm like, you know what? I gotta take a break, okay? So, wow. I wonder if there's a machine that can like remove these seeds. If you could do that, you could make like a blue cheese salad dressing, like a spicy blue cheese salad dressing. And it's just like a fruit that grows on a tree. That would be crazy. But I always liked spicy, vinegary, savory. It's kind of vinegary maybe. Like there's a acidic taste to it. For sure. And it's just a pain to eat with so many seeds. Like how do you do it? I'm just like, I don't have the patience. I just put the whole thing in my mouth. I'm just gonna get the seeds out. Okay, so that is some crazy stuff, man. My mouth is a little numb. And it's spicy. And it tastes kind of vinegary. And it tastes, yeah, it kind of tastes like it's fermented or something. It's weird. This one looks like I wonder if this has gone bad. This one's black. I'm just gonna take a bite of this. It doesn't taste bad when it's brown. I don't know if that means it's bad. But the top isn't ripe yet. And when I bit by there where it's hard, that kind of tastes weird. Tastes more like wood. Probably it's not fully ripe. I mean, but yeah, if you found this in the wild and you were like searching for food, you'd be like super stoked. I mean, I'm eating it like, my body's like saying eat it. But I've heard that, am I high? In my next video, I'll try to put it in a blender and drink it. Apparently, you just blend it with the seeds and coconut water. Just the whole fruit. You just blend it. So, I'm gonna try that. But anyway, yeah, so, I don't know. I mean, I'm torn. It's kind of fun and stuff, but I wish I knew there might be a way to like remove the seeds really easily, but you'd have to remove the seeds to put it in like a salad or do something with it. I wonder if you could blend it with the seeds and that doesn't taste weird. It might taste weird. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Let me know what you thought. If you've ever had noni before, but I believe it's pronounced noni. It might be noni. You know, I think there was like something with like noni juice and some vegan doctor and like making claims that it like did stuff, but it was like bad for your liver or something. I don't know. I remember hearing that, but I do feel like I'm a little bit kind of stimulated. I don't know if I'm just imagining it. But my mouth is numb too. And I used to party in my early 20s, so maybe that's what's, I don't know. It's numb, my mouth is numb. But the feeling is good, like I feel really stimulated. I feel really, like I want to stand up really tall. Like my posture's really good. Like I want to like dance and run, and so I think if I could figure out a way to eat this more easily, if you could just like eat this like without the seeds, there's gotta be a way. If there's not a way, I'm gonna figure out a way. I'm gonna figure out a way to do it. All right, guys. Let me know what you thought. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for future videos. All right, see ya.